What's going on, YouTube? It's your homie Guy Body doing a little random video of my range day, my little range trip day, Sunday, fun day, gun day, whatever you want to call it. It's hot as crap out there, but you know, it is what it is. But before I get too far, I like to do my EDC dump. I had my Ray-Bans with me, of course, because it's sunny outside. New watch. It's my Father's Day gift my wife got me. New G-Shock steel. Man, I love this watch. It is really, really nice. Put that back on. And we're gonna go with light, always same old Streamlight ProTac XL, 2XL, knife, Spyderco paramilitary tool, of course stupid old keys, my trusted Leatherman skeleton tool, wallet, Zippo as usual, but the red one today, Burt's Beeswax for my lip chapstick or whatever, and nevertheless Rat's tourniquet. Oh yeah, bandana, handkerchief, whatever you want to call it. Oh, gun, you already know. Glock 23 Gen 4, Enforced light on it. Trigicon HD sights. I'm not gonna unchamber it because that is my carry gun. Spare mag. Riding in the Tier 1 concealment. And also for my EDC, Black Panther. Yes, this literally was my EDC today and still will be for the rest of the day, riding along with me. But both of those guns also was my training guns today. I train with those the most because that's what I carry the most. That's pretty much it. Just getting acquainted with, you know, with Black Panther, the BCM 11.5 build, my firearm, and my Glock 23. I had fun today. It was hot as crap though, man. So I hope y'all got out the train. And today, what I pretty much try to train for the most part is my draw with the gun I carry the most. And even if I decide to take another gun to shoot, I still do my draw so I can have that same motion. And the only other gun pretty much that I take is probably 19, which is the same size, everything, same trigger pull, just a little different, a little lighter recoil, but not much. And or the CZP07, and which I don't carry it much, and so I do like to shoot it though. I love it, but I'm so comfortable with my Glock 23, so that's what I carry the most. And I'm gonna throw some videos in of me shooting at the range, just little random clips, so let y'all see my range day, and how I train for the most part when it comes to just conceal from draw. I got a little clips of the with the rifle. I couldn't really train like I wanted to with the rifle because it was a few more folks out there, so I could have got on the end and did my mag reloads, but it's cool. I get some reps in this evening, just reloading on mags or whatever, but shots and stuff were fine. And that's pretty much it, man. I'm a little down, not really down, but that sun, that heat drained the crap out of me, so I'm about to drink me a bit and cool on down, man. Hope y'all have a good day. Hope y'all get out to get some trigger time, man. Peace. Unk life. What up, though? At the range. About to get it in. Everybody said they want to come to the range with me. I invite them. Then they get it for the low. Come in for $10 as my guest and get to go to all the, you know, the ranges or whatnot. They don't show up. But you know what? I'm still gonna get me. You know? Gonna get mine. Gonna work on this draw. About to end this little session with a little fun. The fun stick. ETS 30 round mag for the 40 caliber. With my old trusty Glock 23. Let's have some fun. Mag dog ate it up, baby. Ate it up. Ate it up with. And this right here came from the rapid fire I did with the 30 round mag. But when I was actually doing my practicing, most of the 30 round mag, headshots and straight chest, man. Straight chest. I wanted to get a little bit over to the left, which is my right, but their left. That means the target left. I wanted to get them over here, but that's how my trigger pull is. I gotta train my finger to come in a little bit. I've been having it a little too far out instead of in. And believe it or not, that makes a big difference in your trigger pull, where your shot placement is, where's your finger on the trigger. If you have it too far out, you're gonna hit to the left. And that's the right side of the target. Have it too far over, you know, vice versa. So you gotta try to find the sweet spot on your trigger with your finger so you can get your shots up. But that's still good though. I ain't tripping, I take that all day. And as you see, that ain't bad with that rapid fire. It's about 10 rounds almost of the 30 round clip. Mad Dog, Glock 23, Gen 4, 40 caliber. My buddy.